All right, the Whissel widgets of the week.
Yes.
What's yours?
So mine, I've been talking about this for quite a while. We mentioned our YouTube channel, The Whissel Way. Go ahead and subscribe. My goal is 100 subscribers a month. So one thing that I've used to help us get there, and I think we had 130 last month. We've already got 26, and we're about a week into the month. One tool that I've used to help me get there is a tool called TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy. And what I use that for is it helps me really optimize the video for YouTube. And without getting too granular in what it does, it just really gives you suggestions and tips, not only to help you optimize videos that you're uploading now, but the thing I really, really love is going back to old videos and seeing what people have been searching for to find that video and really finding how to optimize that. So not only is it going to help you do it quicker, more intelligently, but it's also going to kind of help shape your, at least it did for me, our video strategy and what kind of content our people were looking for. So, I mean, I think all of us want more YouTube subscribers. We want to give value to those subscribers. And so using this tool really helps shape that.
Yeah. And I mean, our YouTube, I think I just got the report today. We've had over, 16,000 minutes worth of videos viewed on YouTube in the last month. And TubeBuddy's been a big part of that. So definitely check that out.
It's mostly TubeBuddy, not me. Not any of your videos, but...
Not at all about the content. The one, so I talked about a little bit earlier, but it's Spark Hire, S-P-A-R-K, Hire. And what this is, it's a one-way interview video service. And so one of the things we waste a lot of time on is interviewing people that we really knew within 5 seconds were just not going to be a fit. We were just not tracking within seconds, and it can help you avoid sitting in on those interviews or getting on the phone with somebody and just getting in these awkward, uncomfortable conversations that you don't want to be a part of. So Spark Hire, I go on and I record my questions. So I literally, those wait questions, I just ask those questions on video. So somebody goes on their phone or on their computer, hits a button, and it plays a video of me asking a question, and then they hit a button and they record themselves on video answering those questions. What I love about this service is that it does not require me and this person to be in the same place at the same time to accomplish this, and nobody's driving anywhere. They can complete this interview at 5 a.m. or 5 p.m., and they can do it whether they're at home or they're at their office or they're at the beach. I can then watch that interview whenever the heck I want, whether it be 2 a.m. or 2 p.m., whether I'm at the beach or I'm at home or I'm at the office, I can watch the interview. So it really expedites the process, but by doing it via video, it's so much more effective than doing it over the phone or doing it via like a resume. I don't care about resumes, to be honest with you. So this is just a way to expedite that process, but really get a feel for somebody to see how they present themselves on that video. How do they look? How do they dress? How do they talk? Are they articulate? Do they actually answer the questions? Super cool service, sparkhire.com. Yeah, are there cats like on their shoulder in the video? Could happen.
Immediately hired.
Yes.
Done.
So hopefully you guys got some value out of the podcast today. This has been a fun episode to shoot. So hopefully you guys got value. If you want to get some more value, want to learn more about what we've got going on here with the Whissel Realty Group, or you're looking to get into video and podcasting and all that fun stuff, we run masterminds and all kinds of fun events. We always announce those first to people that are part of the Whissel Way Group on Facebook. If you guys want to join that, just go to thewhisselway.com. You can join the Facebook group. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel on there, so every time we drop a new video, you can check that video out. What else did you add on there?
Podcast.
Yes. So, yes, you can also subscribe to the podcast through thewhisselway.com. So, again, hopefully you guys got a ton of value today. Love to connect with you further. If you want to follow Bryan or I, at Kyle Whissel on Instagram.
At Bryan Koci on Instagram.
Oh, we keep it freaking simple. You guys with all your fucking crazy Instagram names and you change them every month, fuck you.
All right. Thank you so much. We are done.